Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize templates in QuickBooks Online. This is a useful feature if you want your customer-facing documents to look more consistent with the rest of your business. Customizing your templates is a simple way to make your invoices, estimates, and sales forms look more professional and better match your business branding. It also helps you control what information your customers see, which can make your documents clearer and easier to understand. A consistent template can also make your business easier to recognize when customers receive documents from you regularly. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon, then choose Custom Form Styles. This is the area where QuickBooks stores the templates you can use for your forms. If you've never edited one before, this is where you'll begin setting up the style you want. It's a good idea to think about the basic look you want before making changes, especially your logo, colors, and the information customers need to see. Once you're in Custom Form Styles, you can either create a brand new template or update one you already have. To make a new one, click New Style. If you already have a template and just want to change it, click Edit on the existing style. This gives you flexibility whether you want to build a fresh design from scratch or simply improve what you're already using. Editing an existing style can be quicker when you only need a few changes, while creating a new style is useful when you want a separate design for a different purpose. Next, open the Design tab. This is where you control the overall visual appearance of the template. You can upload your company logo to make your forms feel more polished and recognizable. You can also choose a color scheme that matches your branding, select a font that fits your style, and adjust the page margins. When choosing these elements, try to keep readability in mind, so the important financial information remains easy for customers to find. These design choices may seem small, but together they can make your forms look much more clean, consistent, and professional. Using the same logo, colors, and general visual style across your documents can also create a more consistent experience for customers whenever they interact with your business. After that, move to the Content tab. This section lets you control what appears in different parts of the form and how it's arranged. You'll be able to edit the header, the main table, and the footer just by clicking directly on the visual preview. This makes the process more intuitive because you can see the layout as you work. As you make changes, use the preview to check that important details are easy to locate and that the overall form doesn't feel overcrowded. Within the Content tab, you can show or hide specific pieces of information depending on what you want included. You can also rename columns so the wording better matches your business needs and adjust column widths to improve readability and spacing. If a form feels cluttered or unclear, this is the area where you can clean it up and make it easier for customers to read. For example, removing information your customers don't need or adjusting crowded columns can make an invoice much easier to scan. Once you've gone through these settings, your customized template will be much better aligned with your brand and your workflow. Taking a few minutes to fine-tune these details can make a big difference in how your business documents look and feel. Before using the template regularly, it's also worth reviewing the finished form from a customer's perspective to make sure the branding looks right and all essential information is clear.